Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we're doing overhead tricep extensions. So when we do these, we want to grab a dumbbell with a diamond grip. And what I mean by that is like this, okay? So we're gonna hold one head of the dumbbell in between both of our hands. Then we are going to have our arms extended so the dumbbell is overhead. Keep our biceps tucked in close to our ears, and then bring that dumbbell so when you're looking in the mirror, the dumbbell disappears behind your head. We're going to keep our elbows tucked in close to our body and then just extend it overhead. If you're having trouble doing this and you're arching your back, you probably need to get a lower weight, but also think about keeping your lower belly pulled in when you do these. So for more excellent upper body strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.